For the best price, click the link in the description. But here's what surprised me about the Samsung Odyssey G5 32-inch. It's one of the most talked about gaming monitors on Amazon right now, and for good reason. Therefore, I'm going to dive into its features, pros, and cons so you can make an informed decision before buying. Are you tired of lagging behind in your favorite games due to a mediocre monitor? Do you want to take your gaming experience to the next level with stunning visuals and fast refresh rates? The Samsung Odyssey G5 32-inch is designed to deliver exactly that. With its sleek design, high-resolution display, and AMD Radeon FreeSync technology, it's no wonder this monitor has gained so much attention. But what sets it apart from other gaming monitors on the market? In this review, I'll reveal the top features of the Samsung Odyssey G5 32-inch and help you decide if it's worth the investment. But don't just take my word for it. Let's dive into the specifications to see what makes this monitor tick. The Samsung Odyssey G5 32-inch boasts a QHD 2560x1440 resolution display, which is perfect for gamers who want crisp and clear visuals without breaking the bank. With its high pixel density, you'll be able to enjoy immersive gameplay like never before. But what about response time? Don't worry, this monitor has got that covered too. With a 1 ms response time, you can say goodbye to ghosting and blurring and hello to seamless gameplay. Furthermore, the Samsung Odyssey G5 32-inch is equipped with AMD Radeon FreeSync technology, which eliminates screen tearing and provides a smoother gaming experience. But there's more. This monitor also features HDR10 support, which allows for a wider range of colors and contrast levels. Whether you're playing the latest AAA titles or watching your favorite movies, the Samsung Odyssey G5 32-inch has got you covered. Now that we've explored the specs, let's talk about the pros and cons. What are some of the benefits of this monitor? Firstly, its design is sleek and modern, making it a great addition to any gaming setup. Secondly, its high-resolution display and fast response time make for an immersive gaming experience like no other. But what about the drawbacks? Well, I found that the Samsung Odyssey G5 32-inch can be a bit pricey, especially considering some of the other options on the market. Additionally, some users have reported issues with the monitor's brightness settings, which can be frustrating at times. So is the Samsung Odyssey G5 32-inch worth it? If you're looking for a high-end gaming monitor that delivers stunning visuals and fast refresh rates, then this might be the perfect choice for you. However, if budget is a concern or you don't need all the bells and whistles, there are other options available. In conclusion, after trying out the Samsung Odyssey G5 32-inch, I can confidently say it's a top-notch gaming monitor that delivers on its promises. But remember, this review is just one perspective. Make sure to do your research and read reviews from multiple sources before making a decision. For those of you interested in taking your gaming experience to the next level, don't forget to click the link in the description for the best price on Amazon.